come. You. Can I have my 2,000 rand back, please? My 2,000 rand I want back. My 2,000 rand I want back. The money that I gave now, 2,000 rand for this gentleman here. This lady here took 2,000 rand from my friend, somebody who works for me. Can I have my money back, please?
I don't know anything.
Okay, you don't know anything, but you took the money. Can I have 2,000 rand from you? Please give it to me now. Or else I'll put you on Facebook. Give it to me. Thank you very much. Fuck it. Yeah, you don't know anything about it. But here's 2,000 rand that you took from my guy. Hey? How come you give me the 2,000 rand now? You guys are all taking bribes here. What kind of policeman are you? What, come over here. Let me put you all on video. Come. I can't stand you guys. Here's the 2,000 rand that she took. I've got the 2,000 rand in my hand. I don't like you guys being like that. Do you hear me? Say sorry. Why did you do it?
I'm very sorry.
Why did you do it?
Sorry.
You sorry? 2,000 rand from a man who works very hard. And you take his money. What kind of policeman are you? You're very sorry. I'm very sorry for the whole of bloody South Africa. And you're sitting here as well. What the hell are you? Why don't you get up and arrest that lady there?
No, I didn't know anything.
You didn't know anything? Arrest that lady then. Here's the money. Here is the money. No. Give me the 2,000 rand. I want the 2,000 rand. That money that woman, she says she's sorry about taking. I want her number. No, I'm not interested in talking. I want the money. No, stand back from me. Don't stand close to me. No, get away. This is a witness. Please stay away. I'm telling you right now.
We try to help you.
Don't worry. I'm sorry, get out of here. Just get out of here. That is the lady.
I'm the senior.
I don't care who you are.
I'm going to solve it.
I'm leaving here. I'm leaving here. Goodbye.
What is the money?
Goodbye.
What is the money?
You give me the money. She's giving me the money.
Did she give you the money?
Yes.
What was the money for, sir?
Don't worry. We talked to her about it. Fine. Okay. Why don't you guys do your fucking job? Excuse me. Bye.
No, it wasn't.
Just goodbye.
No. Let's talk.
I'm live on Facebook. These people took some money. There's the money here. Okay? I'm not talking to you.
Oh, you're not talking to me.
Get away from me.
Oh, okay.
So anybody who wants to arrest me now is welcome to arrest me. But I'm telling you something right now. I'm leaving. And if you want to stop me from leaving, you're welcome. And sir, what police station is this? What? JB. What?
You know.
They wanted me to apologize for coming to get my money back from who? Don't worry about from who. I'm out of here.
Sibingelela ngenza ukuthi ucela uma uqala ungena kuleli khasi lethu cofa subscribe button kule channel yethu umgosi. Hey ngenza kwethu lana kubanjwe owesifazane ethathe ibribe engango 2,000 rand emaphoyiseni. Mhlawumbe omunye engathi akuqali lokho amaphoyisa vele ibribe ayayithatha kushuthi nje kuqondene ukuthi kwaba yilo oyokhangeza imali, kodwa wonke lamaphoyisa kungenzeka ukuthi benolwazi ngemali engango 2,000 rand. Mina-ke nawe-ke ngicela sihlangane comment section sizovulwa ukuthi wena thini ingalo daba ungakhohlwa ukucofa subscribe button kule channel yethu. Bye.